Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is YouTube channel ideas. Without showing your face you can earn money from YouTube channel. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos on it. Also press the bell icon so you can get the notification of our every new video uploading. Let's get started. There are several types of YouTube channels you can start that don't require showing your face. Some require more technical skills than others, but if you really want to make YouTube videos without showing your face, here are some channel ideas to consider on YouTube. Number 1 is completion videos. There are many really successful YouTube channels that makes videos by compiling footage from other videos. The channel Top 5 Best makes video with commentary over brief clips and images mashed together. They publish about one video a day with an eye-catching thumbnail. Each video runs around 10 minutes with over 5 million subscribers. Every video they upload gets thousands of views. So how can this channel and others like it makes video without appearing on camera or shooting another of their footage? I'm not a lawyer and this is not legal advice, but there are few fair use doctrine allows creator to use short snippets of copyrighted media for commentary, news reporting, teaching or research. Number 2 is unbox and products reviews. If you are working with physical products but don't want to show your face, you can create unboxing videos. An unboxing videos is a video of you opening a package, seeing what is in it, and capturing your initial reaction on seeing the product for the first time. You can record just your hands and your commentary while unboxing products. Number 3 is animated explainer videos. If you can take interesting, complex or trending topics and break them down into easy understood concepts using animation, you might have a winner. How to videos. People are always hungry to learn new things. YouTube is the perfect platform for teaching and learning. If you have a skill or talent that others are interested in, you can create how-to videos that don't require showing your face. 5-Minute Craft is a channel with over 70 million subscribers. They make videos showcasing many crafting tricks, quick dye projects and life hacks that almost anyone can replicate. You won't see any faces in this video that has over 55 million views. Number 5 is software tutorials. Lots of people struggle to learn new software. Others want to learn how to do something specific with an app. If you have intermediate to advanced skills using software, you can make tutorial videos where you show your screen and teach viewers how to do something step by step. Number 6 is pub adventure. If you are a travel adventure or thriller seeker, strap on your GoPro and start recording point of view videos of a unique and something incredible footage. Your video could go viral without you ever showing your face. Number 7 is gaming. Some of the highest earners on YouTube are gamers. If you are into gaming, you probably know how Ninja and PewDiePie are. They have millions of subscribers and make millions of dollars to ads, sponsorship, monetize live streaming and endorsement deals, but they show their faces and become genuine celebrities. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel. So take care, goodbye, thank you.